Greetings, Below Nation. How y'all doing today? Y'all pretty good? I'm pretty good too. So, yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Y'all know how it go. If you're new to the channel, man, please consider subscribing, man. Liking, and commenting on the channel, man. And please, don't skip no ads. Please. I beg you, don't skip no ads. But anyway, go ahead and get into the video, man. Today is a good day. Kinda. No, we have not figured out what's going on with MayRose transmission. And I've been dragging my feet about it. But we have gotten some, I don't even know how to say it. I don't even know what to. We've gotten some upgrades, man. We got some upgrades that we're about to do to MayRose, as well as we're gonna figure out what's wrong with the transmission. I seen my dog 7-8 Shepherd boy, man. He went down the island, man, and they put it on the computer to see what was over his TPS and all that. So I'm gonna go down there and do that first. Transmission man said check and see if this was going on first. So I'm gonna check and see what's going on with that. Put it on the computer, check and see if you know, if we got some issues going on with the sensors or whatever, and we're gonna go from there. But what I got is something that is needed and I should have had, but I didn't have, because I don't even know why I didn't have it. Like, all the money I spent, I should have been spending the money here. Okay, I had to check my tire real quick, even though my tires are low, all of them low. But the one on the passenger side need to be replaced. Yeah, man. So I went ahead on, man, buckled down, dropped that money down, man. Dropped the money down, and man, we finna get it. What is this? Is this mine? No. No, it is not mine. We about to yeah. Oh yeah. Close that old man cave though. But hey man, I've been shopping at Rock Auto, man. I'm shopping at Rock Auto for MayRose. We about to take MayRose to a whole nother level, man. And mainly that level is what 7-8 Shepherd boy talks about all the time, man. He talks about it all the time. He speaks so highly of this particular thing. So I'm looking for some. Oh, it's still over there. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's still over there. So, yeah, man, y'all know I be having Ashley with me, man, for being a Chevy. And, you know, it be hot, man. It be hot. So I really don't let her get in the car unless the sun gone down, because it's too hot. I can't have Ashley big old sexy self in the car with me and she get out. She might have put some makeup on that day. Now she done sweated the makeup out. She get out, she don't got no makeup on, she done got out or whatever. Now her back, her shirt wet. I can't have it. Which I ain't never had that before. Never experienced that before. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, we always ride at night. So, that being said, yeah, man, your boy Below, man, been doing some AC parts shopping, man. AC parts, man. So we got and some AC Delco stuff too, man. Oh yeah. But we got the brand new dryer, man. We got the brand new dryer, AC dryer. Brand new thing. We got that brand new thing there. And man, we got a brand new AC condenser, man, because when I unhooked the lines from the other one, I left the condenser in there. As you can see right there, I left it in there, so I know it's plenty of trash up in there, and we ain't doing none of that right there. Now, this line here is closed off, and this line here was closed off, so it shouldn't be no trash in there. on there on one of them lines or whatever. So yeah, let me see how that, yeah. Shouldn't be no lines, shouldn't be no trash in there on one of them lines. Yeah, man, we are about to, y'all see I got her on that battery tender, man. Know what I'm saying? We about to, I got the old, I don't know how them lines work though, cause I got the old drive back there, and it still got some lines on it, some holes on it, so I gotta see how that work. But we got a brand new AC condenser right here, man. Y'all see I got them got them Coronas on deck. Got the brand new AC condenser, man. We got the brand new AC drive, man. Only thing I gotta do is get lines made, man. Only thing I gotta do is get the line made from, I wonder if that'll work though. I wonder if that'll work. Hold on right quick, y'all. Nah, you know what? I ain't gonna even try that. We getting new lines because it's still a line on this old drive back here. I'm gonna walk back here. Excuse me, MayRose. Can you close your mirror in for me, ma'am? Thank you. Yeah, we still got the lines on here, but that ain't gonna work. So I'm gonna keep them because he may need that part. I don't know if he gonna need it or not, but I'm keeping everything. But I know he probably gonna need that and some other stuff, I assume. I know I'm gonna need that bracket. But yeah, I know them lines I know these lines here got plenty of trash in them. So yeah, I'm pretty sure he can clean them out or whatever, or use whatever he can use. The guy that's gonna make the lines, if he needs that or whatever. So yeah, I'ma hold on to that. But yeah, man, MayRose is getting AC, man. And it's about time, cause I rode for long enough, man, and she ain't had no AC, so I rode for long enough. Now I'm about to put that old sprinkler system in there, like my dog 7-8 Chef boy said, man. That old sprinkler system. So yeah, I don't know who needed to hear this. I don't know who needs to hear this, but my window's gonna be up at Florida Classic. And Big Ashley, big fine ass is gonna be in there with her blanket. With the blanket. But yeah, man. Still got some other things that I gotta do as far as MayRose. I still, like I said, I gotta figure out the transmission problem. I gotta figure out why my car cutting off. I gotta figure out that issue. And I'm already thinking that this is a bad harness on here. So I'm already thinking about going to hvac Performance, man. Getting another harness and you know, and just going from there. Like I said, hopefully that'll solve my problem as far as the cutting off and all that good stuff. And more than likely with the hvac Performance, more than likely I have the computer inside the car. I think that's how they set theirs up, to have the computer inside the car. So hopefully I can get that done that way, I guess. I ain't sure. I don't know what all extremes that take to run that through there like that, because that's a pretty big batch of wires. And yeah, I don't know how that's gonna get through the firewall without me cutting it or making a very, very, very big hole to put that in there. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We'll figure it out when we get to that. I'll see what Big Purchase is. I think he is up on the hood still though. I'm not sure. But anyway, like I said, I found a place to mount it or whatever, which I had a place to mount it, which was right there. That's where the old computer went. But this harness wasn't long enough, so I couldn't mount it right there. Why is my... Oh, okay. I thought my headlight was disconnected. I said, why is my headlight disconnected? But anyway, yeah, so hopefully the lab rat's performance harness is long enough to where I can get the computer in this spot right here, and then it'll be out of the way. I ain't gotta worry about it or none of that. Okay, all right. So with that being said, I think that's about it, man, for this video. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's a lot. I got a lot of videos to drop, man. I got a lot of more footage. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be with me on everything, on every megapixel of footage, man. I'm talking about from the harness to the AC to the transmission to everything. Y'all gonna be there, man. So, yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. Please share the videos, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please like, comment. If you don't even like it, comment. I prefer you like it, but comment still. Channel going up, man. The channel going up, man. We trying to get to where we need to be, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And we still moving up. So I really appreciate y'all. I really appreciate y'all, man, cause y'all showing out for me. Really appreciate that. If you haven't already, man, check the description, man. I got a link in the description, man, for all the Below Nation merch. I just updated the site, man. We got Ain't It Mine shirts. We got the new Below Nation logo, man, without the white background, man. We got the new Below Nation speedometer shirts on the site, man. Please, man, go check it out. You know, make you a little purchase, man. Support the guy, man. You know what I'm saying? So I can bring y'all some more content. Bring y'all more content with more content. Who knows, man? It might just be more content with a faster MayRose. You never know. Which that's in the making too. So yeah, man. Hopefully everything gets put to where it need to be as far as that. And yeah, man, just check out, like I said, check out the merch. I'm not gonna say anything because I'm still thinking about wheels. Still thinking about wheels and which direction I want to go. But I ain't gonna say too much about that because nothing's set in stone yet. So yeah. And I think that's about it, man. Yeah, I think that's about it. So y'all already know how it go, man. It's your boy Below 25. And yeah, what it is.